Yeah, there's a...
We're gonna stop by Walgreens.
Walgreens?
I gotta say hi to someone. Sorry.
Oh, okay, okay.
A few moments later.
Say what?
What are you doing?
Alright, ready?
Action!
Did your Bluetooth just connected? Today we're gonna be getting some new headlights installed and a new lip, a new rear lip. You know, you're hurt, so we're heading down to the O'Reilly's a little farther, you know.
Don't look! Don't look! See y'all when we get there.
Where the hell did this car come from?
What the fuck? Bro.
I can't do that, or my piston rings are gonna go crazy.
Maybe you should fix that, eh?
Another video.
Celica gap you. Oh, you can hear the boost. Yo, you low-key can feel the boost of the VTEC. That's crazy. It's so windy, my hair is so messed up.
Eventually.
Alright, we're here.
We're here.
We're at O'Reilly's. Yo, VTEC kicked in and you got dusted, boy.
I was gonna do third gear, but I was like, let me drop it this second. Jesus Christ. I need to go find some attachments for my exhaust.
Oh, okay, let's go, man.
You know?
I don't know. Fucking tall ass. I gotta be like right here.
This
is your height.
your point of view. All right, this is my point of view. This is where my eyes are compared to his eyes. You just can't see him. Help me find him.
I don't know where it is, bro. I have a missing hair day right now, okay? Like, I did not put enough product. Stop. You found them?
I think I have it written down on my notes.
Yo, let's put this on. Oh. You know, we should put that in our mouth, buddy. Be smarter. You fucking...
Sound like a duck call. We're going hunting.
What? Oh. Dude, you're destroying the store. We didn't break it.
It's still intact. Muffler off first.
You're gonna cut your muffler?
Yeah, we might do it.
Let's put this bazooka on, bro.
I'll do a head exit.
It's only $57.
I'll
Or
do a head
58.
exit. I'll do a head exit. Nah, it's too quiet.
Ethan Respiratory? What's happened, Ethan Respiratory?
So, they can't find it.
Are you for real?
So we're gonna go scan my car.
Scan your car?
Yeah. I have a booster sticker. One of these days I want to get an old C4 and
C4 out!
Like a bus.
Make it a nice little roadster.
Should have
Chug. Ew!
It's very filming. You do need new headlights.
Yeah. My bad, bro. I can't do the feet right. I don't know if you have it easier, bro. How to do a crip rock? How you do the crip
Oh,
rock?
you gotta do it like
I'm sorry, what? The crip walk.
Just like crip walk. Just like crip walk.
So we got the paint. We don't know if it's actually the right one because it was a little creamy, right?
A little creamy, but it's close enough. It should be close enough.
Yeah. And then we got clear coat and primer, double-sided tape, and then sandpaper because we don't have to sand it down first before we even do anything. I totally did not do nothing with this to even get it out the store, you know. And then another electrical tape. Because what do you have to do with these?
I have to solder my side marker lights.
Oh, okay.
They not working. We gotta do some electrician stuff.
Oh, okay.
We're back.
Yeah, we're back again. Here's his car parts right here.
Damn, why my shit bent, bro? Why you leaving bent?
Damn.
Bro.
You left it bent, bruh.
Left a dent in my shit, bro. It's a fucking box. It's not just a box.
Prelude. This is what it looks like right now. Alright? This is what it looks like right now. All that's gonna change. Woo. Damn. Holy shit, dude, it's big marshmallows. Alright. This is gonna stop, you fucktard.
Okay, sorry, Mr. Weatherman.
Well, we can't spray it yet until we unbend this bitch.
Well,
Never
we have
mind.
to keep it in the sun.
Huh?
We're gonna keep it in the sun?
You don't have to keep it in the sun.
That's what TikTok does.
That's what TikTok. I do. Me and my uncle done this millions of times. I'm pretty sure I know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Like people like to argue with me all the time. Like this fucking tall ass
fuck.
dude.
What happened?
Like to argue with me all the time, dude. Like, are you kidding me, bro? Like I've done this millions of times. I know what I'm doing. Dude, we got a heater.
So I'm gonna put my shit over here.
All right. You ready? After 2 hours of waiting.
Yes, dude. I've been wearing these
Oh
since.
my god, bro. You just hit his fucking car.
Damn.
Okay, we're gonna have to respray.
You're in my fucking driveway?
Fuck you! I'm trying to respray. Whoa!
Damn.
Wait, we can use this as spray paint.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing.
It's raining now,
Yeah, no shit, right?
so we can't do it right now.
Looks pretty dry to me.
This is dry?
Yep.
It's fucking drain soap.
Okay, well.
Okay, we're gonna get demonetized for this.
Okay, so yep, we got all these, you know, totally didn't steal one. Appreciate it. You like this? Okay.
I don't think so.
Fucking hit me. Okay, well, this is a big ass sandpaper, so.
Like wires that are hanging, remember? There, you got it off. Okay. This is it right here.
Oh, so this is the one you were talking about?
Yeah, see?
Oh shit, it came off. Oh.
Is that loosening? Yeah. And there should be a third one somewhere. Matthew, you want to tell him what you're doing?
Trying to get to a bolt as an older person, put it on backwards.
So what happened was, the guy put it on the inside when it's supposed to be on the outside. You heard? So we're getting that out. Also, while we got that going, we got that going. You heard? There you go. You heard? We'll get back to you.
Okay, I finished up the primer. Just gonna have to let it dry. Oh. Still got the rest to go. Let's go see what they're doing. What's happening? What's happening, boys? We got the bumper off.
We lost on the 10 millimeter.
Are you serious? There you go, sir.
It's pretty clean. It's pretty clean.
After, yeah, a little damage to my fingers. Look at it, shiny. Can't really tell because the sun is not out. Because this dude decided to take so long.
Me?
Well, actually, the other guy taking off his bumper for no reason, thinking he's boosted. I need to put the clear coat on, but it's pretty good. I think I did a pretty good job for the first time, basically. Damn, that shit look fire!
Oh, shit.
Turn on the high beam, turn on the high beam.
Those are not the high beams?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, they're not that. Here's the high beams.
Damn.
Yeah!
No difference.
Okay.
Damn,
Damn, that looks good!
Do the LEDs work?
Yeah.
Thank God, let's fucking go.
You happy, bro?
Yes.
We just
That's
we guessed the plugins. Yeah.
I told you guys I didn't know headlights, bro.
Compared to that piece of crap right here. Ooh.
And then here's the regular lights.
Damn.
And then those are bright, huh? For
Yeah.
regular lights. And then here's the high beams.
That doesn't do nothing.
I feel like those should be the regular lights.
Yeah.
The high beams aren't high beaming. The fucking running lights are more high beaming than the high beamings. Oh. Oh.
Damn.
That's glossy as fuck.
That actually looks. What happened there? Oh my god, things going at it. Careful, clear coats on there. It looks good though. Damn, that looks good.
That looks pretty good for a spray can.
Alright, what are we doing already? We just cut it off? We just cut off the muffler. You guys can't really see it, but we're just gonna keep this on. Oh my god. Dude, that actually does not sound bad. He's back. He's back. Look at it. That actually sounds good.
It's coming out the muffler as well, so it's like two different.
We're finished. That's how it looks now. That's what it looks like. Got finished. Damn, that looks pretty clean, huh? I did the lip. You know, it's kind of little black stains, but, you know, dirty hands. What can I say? But it looks good.
No, actually, low key, the dirty lip matches with the dirty car.
Oh, for
You're right. You're right.
There's scratches.
Those are rare.
Dude,
Yeah.
we have to tape it, remember? My lip's gonna fucking
Oh
fall
shit,
out.
that's right. Yeah.
I don't really know what's going on. Damn. I don't know. That sounds better, to be honest. Just louder. Well, I'm just out in the middle of the street by myself, to be honest, because, they're gone. Oh, they're doing U-turn. This flashlight really works. Oh, I still got spray paint. He's coming by. Damn. That looks clean.
My boy.
You're interrupting the video.
What are you doing?
But that's what it looks like now.
Wait, is that a ghost car?
Yeah, that's clean. It's clean now. Picks. Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, it's okay. My side marker's out.
This one's on, that one's off. That one's gonna match.
Still checking if the place still cold. Moving in the way, no place, no snow. Straight chilling with my niggas and shiver. Thinking about South Lake, thoughts on the river. Move back, nigga. Move back, nigga. Fake Jordan, that's whack ass bitch, nigga. I come back with 11 damn shots. I claim this city and I take your spot.
Yo, she cam. Damn. My
We're trying to close out the video here. We're done with everything.
My phone's warm as hell though.
I'm saying that's why I was sitting my ass on mine.
But anyways,
I gotta warm up the truth.
Anyways,
this is it. This is
yeah,
it.
we finished. There's more
This is it.
to come. So,
There you go.
yeah.
Yeah.
All right, bye.
A few moments later.